To create a project in Orangescrum, click on the New Project button at the top left. Then, fill in the project details. Start by entering the project name, selecting the priority, and adding a brief description. Next, choose a project template, select a task workflow, and pick a bug workflow from the drop-down. Enter the estimated hours, set the start and end dates, and assign a project manager from the drop-down. Then select the currency, choose a default task type, and click Create. On the next page, assign users to the project and click Save. Your project is now set up and ready to go.